Hello everybody, in this video we will study about plastics. Plastic is also a polymer. Arrangement of smaller units can be either linear or cross-linked like this. Plastic articles, we found them in all possible shapes and sizes. But how? Because plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, it can be rolled into shades, it can be made into wires. Polythene, poly plus ethene, these smaller units of ethene, monomers of ethene make a polymer polythene. It is also a plastic used for making polythene bags. Some plastic articles can bend easily while others will break. If we will try to bend them, they will break. Some articles get deformed by hot water. If we put hot water in plastic bottles, what will happen? They will be deformed. So some articles get deformed by hot water but others don't. Thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. What is the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic, or what are these? Plastics which gets deformed easily by heating and can be bent easily. Example, PVC and polythene. These are used for manufacturing toys, combs, different types of containers. This is thermoplastic. That plastic which gets deformed on heating is thermoplastic. And thermosetting plastic, opposite. Plastic which when molded once, it cannot be softened by heating. Example, bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is poor conductor of heat and electricity. Bakelite is poor conductor of heat and electricity. So where will be used? It can be used where? Heat और electricity का bad conductor है ये. So it is used for making electrical switches or handles of utensils. And melamine resists fire. It resists fire and can tolerate heat better than any other plastics. So it is used for making floor tiles, kitchenware and fabrics which resist fire. This fabric is used by firemen in their uniform. Plastic as a material of choice. Whenever we talk about storage of anything, food items, water, milk, pickles, dry fruits, etc., we will always choose plastic for this. We will choose plastic containers. Why it is so? Because plastic is strong, it is durable, lower price, easily handled, poor conductor of heat and electricity. It can be molded into different shapes and sizes. It is lightweight and it is non-reactive. If we are using iron utensils, anything made up of iron, with water and air, it gets rusted. बट प्लास्टिक इज़ नॉन रिएक्टिव. वाटर का या एयर का इस पर कोई इफ़ेक्ट नहीं होता है. इसमें हम केमिकल्स भी स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं. लाइट वेट होने की वजह से इन कार्स, एरोप्लेन्स एंड स्पेस क्राफ्ट्स में दिस प्लास्टिक इज़ यूज्ड. Because it is poor conductor of heat and electricity, so in electric wires, handles of screwdrivers, handles of frying pans, this plastic is used. Plastic is used for sleepers, furniture. Everywhere you will see that we are using plastics. In healthcare industry, packaging of tablets, syringes, doctor's gloves, medical instruments, thread used for stitching wounds, all is plastic. Special plastic Teflon is used for non-stick coating on cookwares. फिर इसमें जब खाना, when we cook food in these cookwares, it will not stick to the bottom. Fireproof plastics. Uniform of firemen have coating of melamine plastic to make them fire or flame resistant. In microwave ovens also, special plastic utensils are used to cook food. They will not affect the plastic and food will be cooked. Now we are using plastic and we are very happy to use it. But plastic and the environment. Today, life without plastics cannot be imagined. Be it at home or outside, plastic is everywhere. The waste created by plastic is not environment friendly. The disposal of plastic is a major problem these days. On burning, plastic release poisonous gases and pollute the environment. Air pollution we get if we burn these plastics. On dumping in the ground, they may take years to degenerate because of their non-biodegradable nature. Now, what is biodegradable and non-biodegradable? Biodegradable, a material which gets decomposed through natural processes such as action by bacteria, is called biodegradable. जितने भी पेपर्स, वुड, कॉटन क्लोथ्स, वूलन क्लोथ्स, peels of vegetables and fruits, leftover foodstuffs, etc., these are all biodegradable. They will decompose after some time. Non-biodegradable, a material which is not easily decomposed by natural processes, is termed non-biodegradable. All the plastic bags or all the material of plastics, tin, aluminium and other metal cans, these are all non-biodegradable. Plastic takes several years to decompose. It is not environment friendly. It causes environmental pollution. On burning causes air pollution. Dangerous for cattle. As a responsible citizen, we should develop habits which are environmental friendly. We should follow 4Rs principle. Reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Reduce में avoid use of plastic. जितना भी हम इसका रिडक्शन कर सकें. We can use steel boxes instead of plastic boxes. Reuse, use again. Again and again we can use it, then reuse. Recycle most of the thermoplastics. We can recycle them. certain coloring agents are added and they are recycled. Recover. After doing all these, next is recover. Recover में suppose we are using any plastic for another purpose, then we can say we are recovering it. Next, what should we do? Do not throw plastic bags in the water bodies or on the road. Plastic weight, जितना भी plastic waste है, chokes the respiratory system of cows. We have seen these cows eating garbage with these plastic or polythene sheets. It can be cause of their death. It chokes their respiratory system and it damages stomach also. It is responsible for clogging the drains. We should throw wrappers of chips, biscuits, etc. only in the dustbins. We should use cotton and jute bags while shopping. Try to use minimum plastic materials. Example, we can use a steel lunch box instead of a plastic one. In this list, we can see type of waste, peels of vegetables, fruits, leftover food stuffs, etc. They takes 1 to 2 weeks degenerate होने में. They are biodegradable. Paper 10 to 30 days. Cotton cloth 2 to 5 months. Wood 10 to 15 years. Woolen clothes about a year. These are all biodegradable. But tin, aluminium and other metal cans, they take 10 to 500 years to degenerate and these are non-biodegradable. Similarly, plastic bags, they also take several years to degenerate and they are non-biodegradable. So, we should avoid plastic. We should use whenever there is urgency. Otherwise, we should not use plastic. We should take care of our environment. Thank you.